Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at what the progress we have on euro currency. So mostly everything stands with the scenario that we talked about, discussed in the weekly report, and mostly it will stand around 1750 area. If you remember, we said that for intraday trading on the daily chart, this level will be crucial, and if market will pass through it, we could expect a deeper retracement. So currently we do not treat it as reestablishing on the new bull trend to the upside because overall price action stands not very fast. It's gradual, and currently it mostly carries the features of the retracement rather than starting on the new leg of the long-term trend. And by far we are continuing to treat it in this way. Meantime, within the few sessions, market could move higher and start action to the next target that we have. Actually it's around 1850 that also we talked about in the weekly report. You could see the daily trend has turned bullish. Price now is not at the very bottom, so actually it could continue upward action. On the forward time frame chart, take a look what has happened. That was our natural resistance, if you remember, and so it also was 1750 confidence resistance. From the 618 level was from this top to this bottom, and the 30% from the same top. So it was confidence, and you can see that was twice was challenged by the price action, testing by the price, showing significant pullback. You could see why we usually call to take the positions around strong levels, because if even later market will break this level and position will be wrong, as it has happened here, with the two testing you have a lot of time and space to move your stops to the break even and see what will happen. So the existence of the strong levels, it's always the advantage that provides you chance to, with a high probability, get out with a no loss or even with a minor profit. So that's our rule of thumb that we have to follow. So anyway, currently as you can see, market showing nice acceleration and breaking this level. Next destination point will be, as we said, some kind of the ABCD pattern in this case we will get, and this is, you can see OP around 1868. That's create an agreement with the major 618 level. For the bears, that's the next level to watch for potentially taking the short position. As I said, at least at the first touch, which probably also will be the bounce. Besides here, we will get the catalyst cheaper to sell. That suggests that maybe even 30% pullback here will follow of the whole upward action. So this is next destination point that bears could keep an eye on. That's actually the pattern that we intend to take a look at. So if you would like to take long position, if you trade on short-term time frames, on the 15-minute chart, hourly chart, you could consider hourly chart, because currently market stands actually also at the target. So this is OP, but if you take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see that market stands at the COP. This minor target has been achieved. Taking into consideration the speed of the upward action, hardly we will get some deeper retracement. I would focus on maybe 1763 or 1740 area. It's also wide confidence support, but anyway, it's still a level you could consider, because do not forget that 1750 was a strong confidence resistance. It was testing twice. Now market has break it up, and on the downward action it probably will retest, and now it will work. This area will work as a support. It's also some feeble levels around it. So that's the two levels that you could keep an eye on. For example, if market will show a kind of the ABCD retracement, something of that sort, that will be a chance to take the long position with the 1868 target, 1865 maybe. So that's more than the 100 pips potential for intraday trade. This is good potential. That's the things that we intend to keep an eye on euro currency right now.